Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Need.
Okay, so your question is you're seeing half-inch overlay and you're seeing three-quarter-inch overlay. Okay.
Yeah, these are self-closing, partially concealed hinges.
So a door can be inset or flush to the face of the jamb. The door can then be bigger than the hole, you know what I mean? Bigger than the opening. Then it overlays the face of the casework. The dimension that it overlays on each side is the dimension. So if your door is a half-inch bigger on one side and a half-inch bigger on the other side, it's a half-inch overlay.
Oh, okay. All right. That makes sense.
Does it? It took me like 2 years to
Yeah,
figure
I
it
guess
out.
that's about, and three-quarters would be stick over three-quarters on each side. Huh?
Yes, sir. So your door is an inch and a half bigger than the opening.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's anywhere near that.
Well, then there's the third type. There's partial overlay. So you've got to know the overlay before you order the hinge. Because
Right. This looks like half-inch overlay.
very common. Yes, sir.
Okay. And then it's I can pick one out on your site. It's called Ultra Hardware. Maybe I give you the numbers. Maybe you have it.
Okay.
I think it might be 34924.
That's a good one. Well, that's a full wrap. So a full wrap means that it's going to go completely over the edge of your jamb.
Right. Yeah, that's what I have.
Oh, okay.
It wraps around.
Not...
It wraps around the jamb, and then it has just one hole in the center to mount it with.
Yeah.
I can't tell from your picture. I think that's it. So is that a half-inch overlay, that particular one?
I don't know, but let me see if I can determine. $34924. Okay, 34924.
I think that's the Ultra.
Yeah, no, it is. The problem is I don't know what the overlay is. They don't indicate. Ultra is a very large importer from Asia. There's one person over there who actually knows how to read a tape measure. And I will be happy to contact. hey, that's a skill that not everyone is taught in school. Or an architect scale, even, that's way off the mark. So I can contact my person there. I can get the answer and let you know. It's certainly going to be quite in the range, but I'm concerned of it being 3/8. Something
instead of a half.
And yeah, I'd like to know before you ordered it to say, oh, now my door sticks a little bit too far. If I was going to bet, I'd say you'd be perfectly fine ordering that because that is a very common dimension. But I don't like working with variables in our equation. I'd rather just, divide them out.
It's also 2 1/4 high, the part on the inside, the biggest, widest part. It's 2 1/4.
Okay. I wouldn't find that to be hard to believe. 2 1/4, though, that's awfully big. 2 1/4?
It's the part that wraps around. Around.
That's a little big.
Well, I've seen something that are bigger than that online.
That's what she said. But you're right. I would contact my guy and I would just have him tell me what the height is and what the overlay was. I'd like to know that.
Okay. Well, I got another one that maybe would work too. Let me see if you carry that one. It's by Hickory, I think. Hickory Hardware. You carry Hickory Hardware?
I'm not going to have their cabinet hinges.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that takes care of that, I guess. Okay,
Like
so
send me an email and I'll reply back with the dimensions.
sure. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. So
Or you could I'll give you my phone number and you can leave a message on my phone.
I hear you. Email is really the way that I'm able to actually get a lot of work done. So I can send you an email that I will then get the answer and reply to.
No, I'll just give you my email address right now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.